the story of Earth's formation. Once upon a time, in the vastness of the cosmos, there was a swirling cloud of gas and dust. This cloud was so large and so beautiful, it danced with the light of the young stars. One day, a tiny part of this cloud began to come together, drawn by the gentle pull of gravity. This was the beginning of something wonderful, the birth of a new planet. On a distant star, a young king named Little Harry watched the dance of the cosmos through his telescope. He lived on a small, enchanted planet with his loyal friend, a tiny dragon named Draco. Little Harry marveled at the swirling cloud and wondered what secrets it held. "Look, Draco," said Little Harry. "That cloud is forming something extraordinary." "Indeed," replied Draco with a knowing smile. "It is the birth of a new planet. Let us watch closely, for this is a rare and beautiful event." As the particles gathered, they bumped and clung to each other, forming larger and larger clumps. These clumps spun around and around, growing ever more massive. Slowly but surely, a molten ball of rock and metal took shape. This fiery ball was Earth in its infancy, glowing brightly as it spun through space. "Draco, why is the Earth glowing like that?" asked Little Harry. "The Earth is still very young," Draco explained, "and it is full of energy. Over time, it will cool and change, becoming a home for many wonderful things." As they watched, Little Harry pondered deeply. "Draco, isn't it fascinating how something so chaotic can become something so beautiful? From disorder, a world of harmony will emerge." Draco nodded wisely. "Yes, Little Harry, it is a reminder that in the vast dance of the cosmos, even the smallest particles have a purpose. Every part of the universe is connected, and every moment leads to something greater." Over time, the Earth began to cool. Its surface hardened, forming a crust. Deep inside, the core remained hot and molten. From the surface, gases escaped, creating a thin, new atmosphere. And as the Earth cooled further, water vapor condensed, forming vast oceans. Life-giving water covered the planet, making it a cradle for the wonders to come. Little Harry and Draco watched in awe as the Earth transformed. They saw the first raindrops fall and the ocean swell. They imagined the life that would one day inhabit this blue planet. "Draco, one day will there be people on Earth?" asked Little Harry. "Yes," said Draco. "And plants and animals and countless forms of life. Each will play a part in the story of this planet." Little Harry thought for a moment. "Draco, do you think those who live on Earth will understand their connection to the cosmos? Will they see the beauty in their origins?" Draco smiled. "I believe some will, Little Harry. They will look up at the stars and remember that they are part of something much larger than themselves. And in that understanding, they will find wonder and peace." And so, from the swirling dust of the cosmos, Earth was born. It became a beautiful blue planet, teeming with life, floating gracefully in the endless expanse of space. Little Harry and Draco knew that this was just the beginning of a grand adventure, one filled with mystery and wonder. Little Harry closed his telescope and smiled at Draco. "Let's visit Earth one day, Draco. I want to see all the wonders it will hold." "That sounds like a marvelous idea," said Draco. "And we can remind them of their place in the stars." Together, they dreamed of the future that awaited this new, vibrant world, knowing that every star, every planet, and every life was a part of the cosmic dance they so loved.